So this video, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, this video is finally going to be from Robbins Pathology, and it is having leukocyte migration through endothelium. So until now we were discussing that how the blood vessel, the leukocytes, they migrate to the border, that is the migration. After that migration we had rolling, we had adhesion, firm adhesion. After the firm adhesion we have leukocyte migration through the endothelium. Now what happens, that leukocytes, they squeeze between intracellular junction. So if this is your vessel wall, it is made up of endothelial cells, but between the endothelial cells you have certain amount of pores that are expressed. These pores, they are expressed mainly in post-capillary venules. How and why are they expressed over there? Because the cells in the post-capillary venules, they have maximum ability to retract. What do I mean by this? That post-capillary venules, they have endothelial cells like this, but they have the maximum ability to move apart or to contract. When they contract, what happens? These pores enlarge, and enlargement of these pores allows the neutrophils or the leukocytes to move from the cell into the tissue or into the interstitial space. And what thing allows the retraction to take place? That are chemokines, the chemoattractant cytokines. They are produced mainly in the extravascular tissue. Which extravascular tissue? The damaged extravascular tissue. That damaged tissue produces a large amount of chemokines, and these chemokines, what do? They allow the postcapillary venules to have endothelial retraction. Simple as that. So now what also happens is that on the leukocyte as well as on the endothelium, there is expression of this PCAM molecule, which is a CD31 receptor. Both of the endothelium and the leukocyte express this. Now because of this chemokine and whole PCAM thing, what will happen? The leukocyte will migrate through the endothelial wall, through the pore, to the basement membrane. It will pierce the basement membrane. After piercing it, it will go to the extravascular tissue, the place that was damaged, the place that was producing these chemokines. So this PCAM1 molecule, which is a CD31 receptor, it is an adhesion molecule, but this adhesion molecule is of immunoglobulin superfamily. And what will it do? It will mediate the binding needed for the leukocyte to move through the endothelial cell wall or move through these intraendothelial pores. Always remember, the main thing that will be involved is PCAM molecule, which is expressed both on endothelium and on the leukocyte. Now leukocyte will move through the endothelium pore, then pierce the basement membrane, then reach the extravascular tissue, releasing the chemoattractant. In this situation, in the whole chemotaxis or transmigration process, what will happen? This is known as transmigration. You should always know this. Leukocyte migration is transmigration. This whole transmigration process, it takes place in vessel wall, but the vessel wall is not injured. Why? Because the pores are produced. And where are the pores produced? Post-capillary venules. I hope you understood the whole transmigration process. In the next video, we will talk about the chemotaxis, that is the movement towards the site of injury or towards the site where the chemoattractant was being produced. Till then, take care and like, share and subscribe to my video, inshallah.